Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. This video features a basic taper with a short top. This is a regular client, not a hair model. The final shot of this haircut I saved for last, so make sure you watch this video all the way through until the end. Likes, shares, and comments will help this video gain traction so that others can watch it and learn. Before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss any new tutorials. Alright guys, let's begin. The first step is to set the guidelines. For this exercise, I'm using the 32 ACP by Caliber. The next step is to remove the hair from underneath. For this exercise, I'm using the 22 Stinger by Caliber. The next step is to establish the length on top. For this exercise, I'm using the 44 FMJ by Caliber, and the guard that I'm using is the number 4 guard with the blade closed. I'm using the Caliber RPG to create baldness at the bottom of the taper. The next step is to blend out the guideline. I do this by fully extending the blade on my clipper, and each time I pass through the section, I close the blade just a bit, then pass through the section again. I continue doing this until the line is erased. For this exercise, I'm using the original 50 cal by Caliber. Attach a 3 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. For the remainder of this blend, I'm still using the 44 FMJ by Caliber. Attach a 2 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 1 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 1/2 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade slightly, and repeat until the demarcation is blended. The next step is to create the lineup. For this exercise, I'm using the 38 Super by Caliber. For the next step, clean up your work with a straight razor. My client wants me to leave a little bit of hair at the front, so I've decided to add a little texture to it for easy styling. If your basic taper looks like this or better, you've done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial. And always remember, always be learning, always be practicing, and always be humble. The machines in this video have all been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.